Saturday is in the books, and not even a healthy dose of rain could slow down festival goers that are here to celebrate the 25th anniversary of Dauphin's Country Fest. The festivities got going early with the Home Hardware Campground Contest, as campers took a chance to show off their sights to our team of judges. Special guests Randy and Mr. Leahy of the Trailer Park Boys were on site catching up with fans and making sure everyone was having a great time.
Here at the Dauphin Country Fest.
Yeah, to test the liquor to make sure everything is on the up and up, right, mate? Stop scratching.
The pierogi eating contest was a huge hit with fans as we got to see the gastric prowess of Country Fest fans. The Manitoba Liquor and Lottery's main stage was the place to be as fans rocked out to Tim Hicks, Dallas Smith, and ACMA winner and star of The Voice, Blake Shelton. After Blake Shelton shut down the main stage, the party continued with Aaron Pritchett and Canadian rock legends Harlequin. With Saturday complete, we still have one more epic day to celebrate 25 years of country music at Dauphin's Country Fest. I'm Stormy Warren with SiriusXM's The Highway.